Welcome to WebTech Business Solutions. In this tutorial, I'm taking you through how to configure your email address on your phone, on your Gmail. So I've received some few message from some few people contacting me about how to do these settings. So this tutorial is supposed to help them on how to do those settings. So first of all, we go to our Gmail account. Okay, so we go to our Gmail account, then you click your top right corner, and then over here you'll be seeing list of email addresses that you already have. Okay, so what you do is you click on add another account at the bottom down. Okay, then the next is you click other. So over here you can add other mails as well, as we can see Yahoo, Gmail, Google, Outlook, and then others. Okay, so but for this one we will click on other. Then we'll be putting our email address. That's enter your email address. So your email address, mine is tutorial. This is my email address. Okay, then the next is you click next. Then you'll be asked for your POP3. So your POP3, it stands for Post Office Protocol version. Okay, so you can see POP3. So the 3 there stands for the version. Okay, and the next one is IMAP, which stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. So any of these will be given to you. Okay, or you can even have both to choose from for you to configure your email address. So I am choosing the POP3. Okay, so the next is I should enter my password. So my password is this. I'll be deleting it though because it's just for this tutorial. Okay, so my password is okay, so this is my password. Then the next is your server. Now the servers, they are different. Okay, so depending on what you have, that's what you use. So your server will not be the same as mine. So your server will be different from mine. And most of the time the servers are usually secured or not secured. So you can have a server that is not secured. Okay, so when you are connecting, if I enter mail.webtechbusiness.com, which is mostly done with most of the emails, that's when they are secured, it will go through. But for mine, it is not secure, so I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use another secured one, which is host 44.registrar dash service. So please take note. Okay, .com. So please take note, yours may be different from this. So when yours is given to you, use yours as is being given to you. Sorry for that. So I'm copying this and then click next. So couldn't connect to server, that means there is some problem. Spelling mistake, service, the R. Okay, so validating. Yes, so my every information I entered is correct. So the next is you just come here and then change the server over here as well. Okay, set the server again and then you click next. So over here all you have to do is just click next and your email is ready. So we ask to enter our name and then the email address. So if you are sending an email to someone using this particular email, what name should appear? So since it's my company, so I'm using WebTech Business Solutions, then I'll click next. So basically this is how you send or how you set your email. So let's try this and see. So I'll be sending an email to this particular email and let's see whether it will come. So at the top right corner we go to the list of our mails and then we can see our email is right here. Great. So That is our email. So I'm coming to send an email to this right now, so that we will see whether our email will arrive. So please take note, make sure you have your configurations and other things really correct. Okay, don't make any mistake with that. If you have any issue, you can contact us and then we will give you the necessary support. So I'm sending this mail to this. I'm using a okay. Hello, thanks for being here. Please subscribe. All right, so I'm sending an email to this particular email I just said right now. So I've sent the mail. So let's see if it will come. So let me refresh. Okay, so great. We can see the email has arrived over here from one of my email address I use for other purposes. So you can see, hello, thanks for being here. Please subscribe. So basically, this is how you set up your email address on your phone. If you have any concern, if you have any question, kindly do ask us and then we'll be ready to help and assist you. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because there are more educational videos coming and more exciting videos coming.